What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open music player in Skate 4. Opening music player is really easy. For that, just keep holding down on your D-pad and then it will open this menu. From here, use your right analog stick and select the music player option from here and then leave your stick. After that, it will open the music library. From here, you can choose the playlist you wanna choose music from. So let's say I wanna open this playlist, then just press A or cross to open the playlist. And then you can browse through all of the musics from here, and to play it just press A or cross and then the music will be played in your game. Similarly, you can explore all of these playlists from here. If you wanna like any playlist, then just press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation and then the playlist will be liked and you can find all of the liked playlist here. You can also choose a new Discord playlist from here and pick any of the song from here, and to play that song press A or cross and then that song will be used on your gameplay. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.